Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to manage your contact lists in Notion, step by step, using a free template you can start with right away. By the end of this tutorial, not only will you have an organized and professional-looking contact list, you'll know how to customize it to fit your workflow perfectly. Let's dive in. For this walkthrough, we'll be taking advantage of Notion's free contact list template. This is a great shortcut because instead of starting from scratch, we're tapping into a polished, ready-to-use layout that saves you time and instantly gives your contacts a professional appearance. Plus, templates are super easy to personalize later, so think of this as your launchpad. First, you'll want to get that template into your workspace. When you open Notion, head over to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see a little drop-down menu, sometimes marked as More Options or just a simple 3-line icon. Go ahead and click that. Don't worry if you're not sure you're in the right place, as all the templates are organized here and easy to browse. Next, look for the option that says Browse Templates. This is Notion's library of pre-made pages, built for practically every scenario you can think of, from project management to personal goals, and of course, contact lists. Type Contact List into the search bar at the top right, and you'll see a list of templates pop up, all designed to store contacts efficiently. Take a moment to check these out. Some offer a more basic structure, while others might include extra fields like notes, tags, or job titles. Pick the one that looks like it'll match your style, and click Add. If you ever change your mind later, it's easy to swap with another template, so don't overthink this step. Once you've added the template, Notion will drop it directly into your workspace. Now, you can begin adding your contacts right away. Usually, you'll see clear sections for name, email, phone number, maybe even company or social profile. Simply click on each field and type in your information. If your list is pretty long, take your time. This part might take a few moments, but Notion autosaves everything as you go, so there's no pressure. As you add contacts, try to think about what information matters most to you. For example, maybe you want a space to note how you met this person, or keep a log of last interactions. If so, feel free to customize. In Notion, each field is totally adjustable. You can rename columns, add new ones, or even change the layout entirely. Let's say you want to track birthdays of your contacts. Just pop in a new Date column and you're set. This is where Notion really shines compared to old-school Excel sheets or paper planners. Everything can evolve with your needs. If you want to add a personal touch, try changing the page icon, cover image, or color theme. Maybe you run a business and you'd like your contact list branded with your company's colors. Or, if this is a friends and family list, you can use fun emojis or a photo as the header. No matter your style, Notion templates are made to be flexible, so don't be afraid to experiment a little and make it your own. And that's it. Your contact list is now set up, clean, and ready to use. The beauty of starting with a template is you get a structure that's already built for efficiency, but you can tweak and personalize as much as you like. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know you're enjoying these practical Notion tips. If you ran into any issues, or if you have questions about advanced customization, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials just like this, with more free templates and step-by-step guides. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.